Moriya daw wasabi. Thank you.
So lang sabi din German.
Ay,
We have an exam. Udap kang po.
it's not working. So, hello from the hospital. Excited na kuya kay mama experience niya ang Japan here at Western Rizal.
Yes, at SM City. Sa conveyor. Sushi. Social. We're eating. You're eating then. You feel that?
Wow! Wait yan.
Yummy!
Ang litsa rin ang nilipag ka ng sa chatting.
We're passing on the paper. Thank you. Dapat gina-record din ang top student ako sa content creation. So I got my Hohem M6. Now I'm using it.
Yes.
See my face?
Good. How much is that when you
May purchase, agree sa akin. Puti ko na lang. May hindi pagsugid. Yes, we are done with our review and tuloy na yung exam. In front of us, ang ato na conveyor belt. What time sila ganimang go-go?
10 in the morning.
This is gyoza and our dumpling. Change location tayo so that we can share the food. Arina! Thank you so much! Yes, so hot food, gina-order ni siya. No, pag inangaton na exam to kung nakita niyo. Then, we have the cakes dito gyapon sa my conveyor belt there. So, nauna, mo dessert kanina. We tried the tiramisu. Ano man?
And very nice. Not so sweet. For those diabetic, no worries.
Yes, no worries. And they can also eat unlimited na dessert kag coffee for only 259. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bite na yan.
They don't want that days or how? No, big deal.
Namit din.
When am I browser kicking?
Wow.
So,
Thank you so much. No. And as an Italian lover, una tayo sa
pizza.
yeah, pizza. This is a mozzarella. Try na video. That's seriously. Look at the mozzarella. Grabe. Diba?
Having very thin crust and soft.
This is one serve of their sinigang. Pwede siya for sharing. Aring for me, ginabalikan the beef salpicao. Good man. As a pasta lover, let's try.
Tuntak na pagkain.
Italian cuisine sa U FRAPPE. The best. Now, let's try Korean cuisine, the Korean fried chicken. Yeah. Oh. And we have here ang kimchi na mo. Lapit na maubos. Hear this, hear this. Italian, we have Chinese cuisine and American cuisine, and we have Mexican cuisine. It's a Japanese cuisine, kag syempre hindi pwedeng wala sa Filipino cuisine. We got one here, Ma'am Pam.
Sinigang na pagmus.
Sinigang na bangon. Wow,
It's so clean.
Yes. And this is the kapalit.
Explore steak.
チャンネル登録はこちら。
チャンネル登録お願いね。
Yes!
French fries.
Ang fries ko ng sauce sa quesadilla. Ma,
Taking a break.
taking a break.
Oh, yeah.
May wasabi. Red ginger. Di siya galiw. It tastes like wasabi but it's red ginger. Okay? Just need my comfort food so let us eat. Let us eat spaghetti. This is my comfort food. Ayun. Nagulat ako sa ginger. Subukan na balan. Sige ba? Massage na. The traditional wasabi refers to a specific part of the plant, the rhizome. Rhizomes include ginger and turmeric. So, wasabi is in the family. Mangale, sister niya ang ginger. So, this one is a red ginger. That's why it tastes like wasabi because ginger is in the family of wasabi. Habi.
Wow!
See, you're learning. I'm learning also. Kaya kung gusto nyo mag-learn about food, visit U FRAPPE here at SM City. Sabi nila, pag single ka, huwag ka daw kumain ng butt. Wala tayong magagawa eh. Masarap yung puwete. Chicken. Diba? Sarap.
Tuna may meat.
Meat gitsa.
Meat dito siya. It's not just tender. It's really meat. Yeah, meat.
Makita mo. Yay! We are done with our second break and now we are ready for our third time para ganito. May kung apat.
Yes.
I believe 4 para matistingan nyo kung matilawan yung ang mga cuisine all around the world with the experience of the alam niya sa Japan. First, in Western Visayas, ang ilang conveyor belt. Sa diit nga nila matato ng U FRAPPE.
Second tour, SM City, Mandurriao, Iloilo City. When you go out of SM department store, you can really see the U FRAPPE.
Lapit sa may circle, sa may event center na diragin sa pinakababa. Uy, nagulag ka! Uy, nagulag ka! Nanda pala, di ba sa mulo? Balik. Once again, huwag kang lumangis kasi kakain pa tayo. Yes, Daddy? Yes! What's your name? Denzel. How's that? Ano ka sa?
You love it?
Yes!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalim din. Rubeinspired!